and I call the member for Monaro.
Mr. Assistant Speaker, I've got a very pleasant item to raise tonight. It's received an email recently from Alexia and Shane Ivamy from Queanbeyan, who wanted to express their appreciation of the efforts made when they had their baby recently at Queanbeyan Hospital. They emailed me particularly to talk about the outstanding care they received, but also to highlight the need for continued investment in our hospitals to make sure that other people got the sort of care that they received. Their email to me said in part, on 10 April 2023, our son Wallace entered this world at Queanbeyan Hospital. The joy and excitement of becoming parents were accompanied by a certain level of anxiety, which is quickly alleviated by the outstanding care provided by the doctors and midwives at the hospital. Their dedication, compassion and expertise were truly remarkable. They went on to say, from the moment we arrived at the hospital, we were greeted with warmth and reassurance. The staff members, both doctors and midwives, were attentive, considerate, ensuring that we were well informed and comfortable throughout the entire birth experience. They patiently stepped us through each step, providing guidance and support during labour and explaining the process of a C-section, offering assistance with breastfeeding. The commitment of medical professionals extended beyond the confines of the hospital wall. The on-phone support we received during the labour was invaluable. The midwives and doctors were readily available to answer our questions, calm our concerns and provide guidance during those intense hours leading up to delivery. Their presence and expertise were comforting, reassuring us that we were in capable hands. They highlighted in their email the outstanding care they received and the need to continue investment in regional infrastructure, particularly in the field of healthcare, and they specifically mentioned Dr. Amy Daly, their GP, and their midwife at Queanbeyan Hospital, Alexandra Reynolds, who they said deserved special recognition for her unwavering dedication and advocacy during the delivery. They said Alexandra went above and beyond to ensure their voices were heard, concerns addressed, and our birth plan respected, and along with a number of other comments. It is, I think everyone would agree, a wonderful thing when you actually get people who are emailing you to give congratulations to people who work so hard in our community. And that view of the work that the Queanbeyan Maternity Unit does is something which I have heard many times. We do have personal friends, family who work in there, I'll acknowledge that, but there's also a number of glowing references that I've heard over the years, including the fact that one of the midwives, Jenny Flaherty, was nominated for the New South Wales Health Midwife of the Year in 2022. The success of this unit, maternity unit at Queanbeyan Hospital, is reflected by the fact that 2022 was their busiest year for Queanbeyan with 598 births. That is since the hospital was opened when I was previously the member for Monaro. Queanbeyan Maternity Service has a well-established antenatal postnatal midwifery continuity of care service, the first in our region of New South Wales, in partnership with GP obstetricians. They provide dedicated to providing the best possible care and outcomes for women in our community, and they're involved in things like the Australian Preterm Birth Alliance, aiming to reduce the incidence of preterm and early term births across the country, and improving outcomes for babies and families. The Quality Improvement Project on reducing the incidence of severe perineal trauma. They have a smoking cessation project in conjunction with the Preterm Birth Alliance, aiming to reduce the number of women smoking in pregnancy. And they have recommenced antenatal classes in June 2023 post-COVID. In the patient surveys for the unit, they have 92% rated their care was very good. 90% felt involved in their care, 88% felt listened to, 85% felt informed about their care. They really are sensational outcomes for the maternity unit at the Queanbeyan Hospital, and like Alexia and Shane, who sent me that email, I know that many other people report similar great results. And I wanted to highlight the comment that Alexia and Shane made today, congratulate them on their journey and the birth of their child, but most importantly, congratulate and thank all the people who work in the maternity unit at Queanbeyan Hospital.